You're watching KPAX, Montana's news leader. Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Ed McIntosh.
Welcome back. Here's our satellite radar mix from today. You can see these weak little impulses moving through, and that's bringing nothing more than a few showers. It's kind of hard for even a lot of this to make it to the ground, but a bit of cloudiness has been increasing across the region, and this is all part of a big upper low here. This system will continue to be our weather maker as we start getting later into the week. So we'll see an initial warm up out ahead of this front, but you notice already as we look into the Pacific Northwest, areas where rain showers are starting to come on shore, and that cool down and the best chance of showers will start to affect our weather as we get later into the week. So let's break it down, take it day by day. High pressure area will continue to build in tonight heading into tomorrow, and that means still looking at some very mild temperatures, a lot of 70s. Could hit a couple of low 80s tomorrow. It's going to be a fairly quiet overall weather day. But watch as we go from Monday into Tuesday. As this cold front comes in, it's going to start to downshift temperatures in northwest Montana even by tomorrow afternoon. But for much of the area, it'll kick up the winds. Allow the Flathead Lake area, we can see some choppy waters. Certainly some of the valleys of southwest Montana, we could see some 30 to maybe 40 mile per hour wind gusts on Tuesday. And then as the system shifts through, it's going to allow that cooler and wetter air to start to move into the picture, and that's going to start to dominate the weather as we start getting later into the week. So rotation around that low, but watch, it's this deep trough, this surreal weather maker. This thing seems to be on track to bring up quite a bit of moisture and the possibility of some snow for the mountains, and for the lower elevations, at least some rain showers around, especially by the time we start getting to the back half of the work week. First thing in the morning, expect temperatures to be in the 40s to low 50s in areas of northwest Montana. Generally mostly cloudy. As those clouds are building in tonight, they're going to stick around for a while longer. Same thing around the Missoula area, anywhere from Stevensville all the way over towards Helena. Temperatures in the 40s first thing in the day. Around the Butte area, again, we'll be looking at a mostly cloudy overnight. That could even lead to some areas of frost first thing tomorrow, as some of these temperatures will start to drop down into the mid to upper 30s. For areas around Bozeman, we'll also be looking at mainly 40s. Some 30s, though, could turn some areas of fog perhaps around West Yellowstone. As far as afternoon highs for tomorrow, 70s in northwest Montana, still hanging on to some of that cloudiness, but the temperatures are still pretty mild, and the winds for the most part will be fairly light. Could hit some low 80s here, anywhere from around Missoula, extending again towards Helena, down towards Salmon, Idaho. And as we look around the Bozeman and Butte areas, we'll be looking for temperatures mainly in the 70s. Again, a couple of low 80s are reachable tomorrow afternoon, especially once we get in areas from Toston all the way down towards Bozeman, Belgrade, over towards Livingston, where we could pick up a little bit of wind. So here's the extended outlook for Butte, looking for temperatures in the 70s. That cool down comes midweek, and it really doesn't warm up. Areas of showers will increase as we start getting later into the week, and that could be mixed with some snow as the overnight temperatures start getting close to freezing. For Bozeman, we'll be looking for temperatures again to also slip by Thursday and Friday, with a better chance of rain over the weekend. Kalispell looking for temperatures only in the 50s by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday. And let's finish up with Missoula, with temperatures likely in the 60s by midweek, 50s to follow.